Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to install winrar version 4.10 plus the crack. So that means you can fully register. You have winrar full registered, and yeah. So let's begin. I'm gonna put the link below in the description for the download of this RAR. Yeah, and it contains two folders. You have to just open this one, winrar 4.10 English, and here you can select your type of installation. I have 64-bit of operating system now in this Windows, and so I'm gonna select this one and go run. Yes, see, I install. I say okay, done. You need to restart your computer. I won't restart my computer. So go to the crack. Just now go to program 86 and here's winrar. Guys, I need to restart the computer, so I will come. I'll pause the video now. Hey guys, I'm back. I just started my computer and yeah, we finished the installation of winrar setup, and now we have to crack it. So this is the RAR file. So you just have to open the cracked folder and go to the directory of winrar. That's program 86, and here is it. No, that's the old one. Yeah, here's a new one. Okay, just have to move this file in the directory. Continue, and here's it. Is the key. Okay, let's see now. That's the winrar. Shit. Yeah, like just you see guys, it's fully registered winrar. There's no here days like that. So this tutorial ends here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and yeah, okay, bye. Later. See you later.